Hello everybody, this is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to make broccoli with cheese sauce. So let's get right into it guys. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. You will need mild cheddar cheese, salt and pepper, broccoli, butter, heavy whipping cream, all-purpose flour, and milk. So let's get started guys. We're gonna start off by making the cheese sauce. First, we're gonna start off by melting our butter. We're gonna start off by making a roux. Roux is the flour and fat cooked together and used to thicken sauces. Now, I'm gonna add my flour and give it a good stir. Okay, I've been cooking this for 3 to 5 minutes. You can see my roux is puffed slightly. Then I'm gonna add milk. I'm gonna stir this until smooth. And give it a good stir. Now I'm gonna add heavy cream and let it simmer for 10 to 20 minutes until it thickens. While the roux is cooking, I'll go ahead and grate the cheddar cheese. Just like so guys. Okay, I don't want my roux to boil. I think it's good. I'm gonna stop here, turn off my heat. Now it's time to add the cheese. Using my hand blender, in goes my cheddar cheese. Salt. Smooth guys and silky. Look how beautiful it is. I'm gonna take the plastic wrap and cover with it so that it doesn't develop a skin. Just like so guys. Okay, now I'm gonna put it aside and work on the broccoli. I have my pan here on a high heat. The pan is ready, it's hot. I'm gonna add my broccoli. And add water. Put the lid. I'm gonna steam the broccoli for 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna plate my broccoli. Then top it with cheese sauce. Look how smooth it is. It's so good and yummy. We're gonna finish off with black pepper. There you have it guys, broccoli with cheese sauce. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Guys, share this video with your friends and with your family, and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honey.